In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to scan the WhatsApp web code. Whether you're new to WhatsApp web or just need a refresher, this video will guide you through the process step by step, ensuring you can quickly and easily access WhatsApp on your computer. First, let's talk about why you might want to use WhatsApp web. WhatsApp web allows you to send and receive WhatsApp messages on your computer, making it incredibly convenient if you're working on a laptop or desktop and don't want to switch back and forth between your devices. It mirrors the chat interface from your mobile app, providing a seamless experience across your devices. To get started, you'll need two things: your phone with the WhatsApp application installed and an active internet connection, and a computer or laptop. Once you have those ready, we can proceed with the steps. The first step is to open a web browser on your computer. Any standard web browser will do, such as Chrome, Firefox, Safari, or Edge. In the address bar, type whatsapp.com and press enter. This will take you to the official WhatsApp website, which is the gateway to accessing WhatsApp web. Once you're on the website, you will see several options and information about WhatsApp. Look for the option that says login, or sometimes it might be labeled as WhatsApp web. This button is usually located on the top right corner of the screen, but may vary slightly depending on your browser or any updates to the website layout. Click on login to proceed. After you click on login, a new page or a pop-up window will appear, displaying a QR code. This QR code is unique and serves as the key to connecting your phone's WhatsApp account with WhatsApp web on your computer. It's important not to share this code with anyone else, as it could allow them access to your WhatsApp messages. Now, grab your phone where you have WhatsApp installed. Open the WhatsApp app and look for the Settings tab. On Android phones, this can be found by tapping the three dots in the top right corner. On iPhones, you'll find Settings in the bottom right corner of the app. Once you're in the Settings menu, select the option labelled WhatsApp Web or Linked Devices. This will open a scanner feature within the app. With the scanner open, point your phone's camera at the QR code displayed on your computer screen. You might need to adjust the distance and angle slightly to get it just right. Hold your phone steady and it should scan the code within a few seconds. As soon as the scan is successful, your phone will vibrate slightly and the WhatsApp web interface will load on your computer screen. You'll see your messages, chats, and contacts appear, allowing you to use WhatsApp from your computer just as you would from your phone. It's that simple. Now, a few additional tips to enhance your WhatsApp web experience. First, ensure both your phone and computer are connected to a strong and stable internet connection to prevent any disconnection issues. If your phone loses connection to the internet, WhatsApp web will also disconnect. Remember, WhatsApp web mirrors the chats from your mobile app. This means any message you send or receive on your computer will also appear on your phone and vice versa. It's a completely synchronized experience. Lastly, for security and privacy, always log out of WhatsApp web when you're finished using it on a shared or public computer. You can do this by clicking on the three dots menu on the top of the chat list, then selecting log out. On your phone, you can go to the WhatsApp web section in settings and log out from all devices for an extra layer of security. And there you have it, a straightforward guide to scanning the WhatsApp web code and using your WhatsApp on a computer. This video has walked you through the entire process, from navigating to the WhatsApp website, scanning the QR code, and ensuring a safe and secure experience. Whether you're multitasking at work or prefer typing on a full-sized keyboard, WhatsApp web makes it easy to stay connected with friends, family, and colleagues. If you found this video helpful, please give it a thumbs up, and don't forget to subscribe for more tutorials and tips on using technology to simplify your life. Thank you for watching, and see you in the next video.